So how do you flip a negative behavior or an unresourceful feeling to the positive intention? And it's part of many patterns inside NLP Master Practitioner, but it's also useful all on its own. So let's just say someone has, let's say, negative self-talk or lack of confidence or procrastination or raiding the buffet table, something like that. What I ask the client to do is, like, I'm really interested in the unconscious answer, not so much the logical answer. Now, for some people, it's trickier than others as to what the unconscious answer is. What I do is I try to get the client to relax, to go inside. I let them access a state of calmness. And then I ask them to ask their unconscious mind the question, what is the positive intent behind this behavior? What do you get out of it? I'm not interested in your logical answer. I want you to ask your intuition, your unconscious mind, as to a one word usually sounding like a value, a positive word that comes out. It's sort of like the Inkblot test, the Rorschach test. It's where you have to do a quick association based on the first thing that jumps into your mind. Some clients are very aware as to what the voice of their intuition is like, where that's located, even inside their mind, what that sounds like, more than others. The way that I can distinguish the difference between a logical and an unconscious answer is that you literally see the client ask the question inside their mind. I never let them do it out loud, because that they start to feel a little bit weird, let's say, to actually do that out loud. Their unconscious mind. So I let them go inside. An unconscious answer is sort of like, has a whole different quality. A logical answer sounds more like, well, it's this and this and this and this, or it's that and that and that. Where an unconscious answer is more going, let's say, frustration around the singer on Venice Beach, the positive intent that I get out of that is fun. The reason why it's so fun for me is because I have an inner joke with all of my friends. It's not a very good acting of an unconscious answer, but when you do this with a lot of clients, you really start to pay attention to the difference. So remember that. What is the quality of an unconscious answer versus a conscious answer? Now, if I really can't get the unconscious answer, then I simply go with a conscious answer, even if I have to let them pretend as if. That's the as if pattern. I want you to pretend as if your unconscious mind is giving you the answer to what the positive intent is. Now, remember, the positive intent is always a positive word, like security, safety. It can be, let's say, for procrastination, it can be comfort or relaxation or something like that. And so, because what happens when you, for instance, want to do processes that are eyes closed, let's say, or start to engage the unconscious mind more, even chunking up, what you'll find is that the logical answer ends up switching to their unconscious world anyway. The best thing you can do is step into a state of confidence and step into a state of comfort and relaxation and power for yourself, instead of freaking out as to what may happen. Then you'll find, especially through learning and doing it more often, you find that you get better and better. You may run it as an exercise where you say you just try and do this process, or not try, you do this process with as many people as possible to quickly flip that positive intent. You do that over and over and over, and I promise you, by the time that you've done that 21 times, you'll get the hang of it.